Alright guys, this was a complete last second plan, but there's people working. I'm trying to go for some big old carp. There's people working like crazy. I didn't expect people to be working. There's police cars everywhere, there's people everywhere. I'm just praying that these guys leave soon so I can freaking fish. Because I came all the way up here for nothing. I have barely any time to fish. Well, I might wait for these guys to leave. Took one cast with a rattle trap and caught a bass already. So hopefully the carp fishing is going to be as good as the bass fishing. Yo, this is lit. Oh my God. I just got kicked out and these guys are watching me. Oh, nice first carp of the year. I'll take that. Just as I got kicked out. That was quick. That's a big one. Oh my God. Big old carp. I can't even, there's so many weeds here. There's so many damn weeds. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I literally just got kicked out. Oh my God. That thing's so strong. Alright, I'm guessing it's kind of confusing to explain this. I'm not sure where I am, but there's a whole bunch of construction going on. It's all private property. I'm trying to get some carp. I've seen koi here before, and I was trying to catch this one koi, but I mean, I couldn't catch him. Just got kicked out as I was catching a fish, and then see, I'm right back where I started. I don't really care. I mean, how many times I get kicked out, but I'm running out of corn. And I only, can't move that much, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, freaking big ass pickerel. Look at that thing. Oh my God.
Okay, I'm here a little early. I'll give you 10 more minutes.
I've actually got a fish on right now. This is insane. I just caught a giant pickerel.
10 minutes.
Oh my god, it's a crappie. Are you kidding me? No way. A freaking crappie. Oh my god. No way. What's up?
I'm here. I'm not going to wait in the construction site. I'm going to pick you up there. I'm going to just pick you up in the construction site.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Guys, I just caught a freaking crappie out of here. This is literally insane. Look at this. This fishing here. Just literally the most random urban pond. This is insane. Look at that thing. How big? Wait, it's just red. Oh, there you go. Wow, you're cool. Oh, big crappie. Big crappie, yeah. Jeez. So like, oh, I guess they're like in the weeds or something. Yeah, they're like. It's possible. It's possible they're like literally in them. Yeah, I wasn't recording, but I think this guy might have been on the bed. There's a whole bunch of crappies over here. Carpito Garcia? I just feel like if we tried to go for crappies, we could probably smoke them. Pickerel! Giant! Giant! No! Are you kidding? Oh my god. Look at the... Oh my god, bro. I didn't even set the hook on him. That was huge. It might have been a giant bass, but I think it was a pike. I mean, just the way he hit it. Oh, crappie. Crapito? Yeah, I just missed one. Crapito? Por favor? Hey, it is. Look at that. Better. They are on that weed line. Look, watch. They're right on the reed line. Watch. I'm gonna get hit again. No, I told you, bro. It's a sick. That's a pretty one. No, you don't. I figured out the pattern. I'm cool. You're not cool. I put you on the fish. It's a pretty one, man. Yeah, that's a nice one. I'd definitely rather catch a giant. I'd rather catch pike out of a pond and go for bluefish. Carpito Garcia? Wow! How interesting. Never caught one of these before. No, shoot. That's a white. White's in New Jersey. Look at this bass. Sean. Yeah, look. Oh, I got something. It's a crappie. Are you kidding me? Yo, look how dark that was. Am I recording? On that, this kayak didn't even have a tail on it. Really? That definitely is not what bit my tail off, because crappies can't do that. Crappie, gigantor. Gigantor crappie. Told you. Big old girl. They're in here. They're munching. Munch that, dude. Told you, this is a gigantor crappie spot. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Got one. First cast.
You have like a bobber on that?
Yeah.
What are you using?
Trout magnet. Ooh. Crappie. Small one. I think I'm a crappie king, Sean. Sorry to say it.
Let me just catch the big one. See?
Yeah, you know why? You took my spot. That's why.
Yeah.
You took my spot.
Oh,
See, now you're all caught up in that
hungry.
braid. Sean, I can't cast now because you're in my spot. I found the school and then you come over here. I'm still a crappie king though, so it's alright.
Broke one once. Wow.
It's not even you, it's just me. Okay, this is why you don't
See,
take my
this is
spot.
ready? My tactic.
You better get it out, because if not, then... That's a bluegill.
Is it?
Yeah, it feels like one. Yep. Oh my god! A big bass just tried to eat the bobber off the surface. And now I've got a crappie. That was insane. That was a giant crappie.
You probably tried to eat the crappie.
There's a big one. No, it wasn't as big as the one I just had. I think I'm the crappie king, to be honest with you.
Yeah, you're actually.
Who's caught all the crappie today? Oh my god!
That was a bass.
That was a crappie.
Was it?
Yeah. Bro, time that popper! I'm telling you, bro.
Little popper?
Yes. There we go. They're blowing up right there.
No, you're not.
I didn't even see the... Oh, that's a big one. That is a big one.
Oh,
Oh, well,
fuck.
not really. Dang, these fish have hella leeches. Look at this leech. Oh my god. That's disgusting.
Let me see.
Come here.
What, is it in their mouth?
Yeah.